Welcome to yannYOga. Today's practice is for newbie to yoga. So I want you to focus on your Mula Bandha, squeeze the perineum and activate your Uddiyana Bandha to hold your belly throughout the practice. So make sure you activate those cords, the Bandha, Mula Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha. So enjoy your practice.
We're gonna begin with Utkatasana, standing at the front of your mat. Bend both knees. Make sure your knees are not overshooting your feet. Raise your hand, inhale here. Engage your core. When you exhale, right leg down behind your mat, twisting to the right. Inhale, slowly come back up. And the other side. Exhale, left hand down and back, twisting to the left. Enjoy the twist. Do not make sure your knees are in line. Inhale, come back up. One more time. Exhale, right hand down and back, twisting to the right. Knees together. Inhale, right up, both hands to the sky. Exhale, left hand back and twisting to the left. On our next inhalations, both hands rise up to the sky. As you exhale, straighten your feet and you bow forward. Inhale, halfway lift, hands on your shins. Exhale, left leg back, right leg back. Chaturanga, elbow facing the back of your mat. Point your feet. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, tuck your toes, push the floor away. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Next inhalation, left leg to the sky and bring it in between your leg, in between your hands. Scissor your legs, make sure they are engaged and keep them tight. Front knee bend, back leg is pointed and knees on the floor. Inhale, gentle back bend, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, right hip in line with your knee, straighten your front leg and bow forward, Ardha Hanumanasana. Flex your front feet. Slowly inhale, bend your front knees. Raise your back feet. Next exhalation, right hand at the side of your front leg, twisting to the left as you straighten your back feet. Looking at the left side of your mat, twisting to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Hand in Namaste. Exhale, pivot your front feet 45 degrees, sit down to Skandasana. Back leg are straight and flex. Look at the back of your mat. Couple breath here. Enjoy the stretch on your right hamstring and your left ankle. Slowly, with control, we're gonna bring our front knees back facing our mat, sitting on our left heel. If it is too hard, you can put a block underneath your sit bone. Next inhalations, both hands to the sky. Exhale, bow forward, Janu Sirsasana. Front feet are flexed. Pull your kneecaps on your right feet. Gently release. Bring your left knee in front of you. Keep it bent. Swing your right leg behind you. Make sure your right leg are straight at the back with your feet pointing down on your mat. Prepare for Ardha Kapotasana Vinyasa. Inhale, gentle back bend. Exhale, bow forward. Left feet is closer to your right groin. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bow. One last time. On your fingertips. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, bow. This time we're gonna pause here and take a break. Regulate your breath. See how you feel on your bodies. Screen your bodies. Left leg are externally rotate. Both sit bones are equally square. Right toe simply resting on your mat. Forehead is on your arms. Couple more breaths. On your next inhalation, we're gonna rise up. Tuck your back toes. Bring your front leg behind you, meet your back leg. Push the floor away, meet me in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Straight to the other side. Next inhalations, right leg to the sky. And bring your right leg in between your hands. Drop your back knee, point your back feet. Inhale, rise up, Anjaneyasana, gentle back bend. Exhale, straighten your front leg as you bow forward. Left hip are in line with your knees. Feel the stretch on your right hamstring. Inhale, rebend your front knees. Exhale here and inhale, we're gonna raise our back feet. Drop down your left hand next to your front leg. Exhale, right leg swing to the back of your mat as you straighten your left leg. Somachandrasana 2. Inhale, pivot your front feet 45 degrees. And we sit down to Skandasana, facing the left side of your mat. Left leg are straight and flex. Feel the hamstring stretch on your left hamstring. Next inhalation, bring your right knees pointing the back of your mat. Inhale here. Exhale, bow forward. We are sitting on your right heels. Remember to flex your left feet as you bow forward. Inhale, come back up. Exhale. Shuffle your right knees outside to the side of your mat as you swing your left leg behind you. Again, checking your back leg are straight with your feet pointing down to your mat. Right knees are externally rotate and right feet is on your left groin. Ardha Kapotasana Vinyasa. Inhale, gentle back bend. Exhale, bow forward. On your fingertips, inhale, gentle back bend. Slow exhale, bow forward. This time, we'll take a break here. This side could be different from the other side. Notice which side is more flexible. It is completely normal, so just want you to stay aware. Couple more breath here. Send more oxygen to all the tight areas. Slowly come back up. Tuck your back toes. Bring your front leg and meet your back leg. Push the floor away. In Adho Mukha Svanasana, we're gonna do a vinyasa. Exhale to plank and chaturanga, elbow back facing. Inhale, point your feet, rise up. Exhale, this time we're gonna bend our knees and we sit in Balasana on the heels. This is not a resting pose. Your arms are actually lengthened forward. Spine are lifted and lengthened to the front as you sit on your heels. 2 breaths here. We're gonna bring ourselves all the way down to the back of our mat, lying down, and Shavasana. I will call you when it is time. Relax your shoulders, relax your thumb, your eyelids, your shoulders, your lower back, your feet, your toes are all relaxed. Slowly bring awareness to your body. Move your fingers, move your toes. You can give yourself a good stretch with your arms and feet away from each other. Away to the center of your body. Choose your favorite side. Bring yourself to the side of your mat. No rush. Stay there for a few breaths. And when you're ready, you're going to bring yourself all the way up to the sitting positions. On our next inhalations, both and rise to the sky. Bring all the positivity to yourself and everyone around you. Exhale, we bow forward. Thank you everyone who practiced with me. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Like, subscribe and comment if you enjoyed the practice. See you on your next video.